Today, we are doing informational writing. Hello, it's Miss Vera here today. Today, we are going to learn about adding details to our informational paragraphs. So please get your graphic organizer from yesterday and any books you used in your research. Thank you. So what are we writing about? You're writing about birds. But the teachers are doing our own paragraph about giraffes. So you can look at our example about giraffes to do your paragraph about birds. Let's look at your focus statement. Parts of an informational paragraph. Focus statement. Giraffes have tall necks and long tongues that help them to survive. Now, when you look at this picture, this is what you have if you printed out the PDF. But I don't have a printer, so I just wrote it in a notebook in my very best handwriting. I have the same information, just in a different space. Now, what does each sentence do? The focus statement tells us the main idea. The first detail describes the first part of the animal's body. The second detail says what that body part does. The third detail describes the second body part. The fourth detail says what that body part does. When I look at my focus statement, I can see that I specifically mention the giraffe's neck and its tongue. So I know I should mention these two body parts in my details. When you look at my graphic organizer, you can see that I wrote for my first detail, giraffes have long, thin necks covered in brown spots. I'm talking about the first body part, and I'm using adjectives to describe it. In my second detail, their necks help them to reach leaves they eat at the top of trees. I'm explaining how their necks help them to survive. By saying the neck helps them to reach their food, I'm proving the neck can help the giraffe to survive. That's part of what a detail does. It proves your focus statement right. The third detail, they have long tongues that are very strong. I'm describing the tongue. And the fourth detail, a giraffe's tongue can reach out and grab the leaves like a hand so it can eat them. Once again, I'm explaining how the tongue helps the giraffe to survive. So I'm proving my focus statement is correct, that tongues and necks on giraffes help them to survive.